Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to create a hierarchy for the calendar table. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. So we have the calendar table, right? We have the column year, months, day, month name, etc. We do a click on three dots, create hierarchy. Then we want to add months. Three dots, add to hierarchy. Then month's name. This one I will remove. So now we have year, month name and day. You can see the year, month, and date. You can see that the order of the month's name is wrong, right? To change that, we need to go to the table view, select the month's name. So it's the same column that it has wrong order. So is this one. Then we select sort by and we select months. And now you can see that the months names are in correct order now. If we add, for example, weekday name and remove the date, we can see that the order is also wrong. To fix the weekday name order, we do the same. Table view, click on weekday name, sort by, and we choose weekday. And now you can see the correct order: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Hopefully this video was useful for someone. If you like my videos, please don't forget to comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching.